To find the area of this triangle, I'm going to use the formula base times height divided by 2. I can choose any of the 3 sides to be my base. So what I'm going to choose is this side here, because I can easily tell that that has a side length of 1. So I know that my base is equal to 1. Now, in order to find the height, what I'm going to do is decide how can I figure out how tall this figure is. I need to go to the highest point from my base all the way to here, but it needs to be at a right angle. So I'm going to extend a line this way and then extend a line this way to create a right angle. Now I can see that the height is 1, 2. So h is equal to 2. Now I can use my formula, base times height divided by 2. So my base is 1 times my height, which is 2, divided by 2. And all of that is going to give me an area of 1 squared unit.